Iljin Machinery Co., Ltd., located in Ulsan, South Korea, the center of heavy industry and industrial equipment, has been building global trust by producing key components used across various industries, such as shipbuilding, power generation, and steelmaking since its establishment in Seoul in 1979. Based on precision mold design and large CNC machining equipment, precision technology, plant manufacturing, global reliability is the core competitiveness of Iljin Machinery. Iljin Machinery, led by CEO John Kwang-woo, values precision, customer focus, and innovation as its core values. Precision, maintaining high precision in mold and machine. Part manufacturing, customer-centric design, production, and maintenance tailored to requirements. Innovation, securing competitiveness through continuous investment in facilities and technological accumulation. We have strengths in precision press, mold design and manufacturing, marine diesel engine parts production, and large industrial equipment manufacturing, and we are a total solution company capable of building plants beyond simple components. Established in 1979, new construction of Ulsan Plant No. New construction of large processing and industrial machinery plant in 2001. Since 2012, we have grown into a global heavy industry company, acquiring various certifications and expanding partnerships. Through a long history and technological accumulation, Iljin Machinery has established itself as a trusted company for domestic and international customers with high quality and technical expertise. The main departments consist of machinery equipment, quality control, sales, and customer support. The business areas are broadly divided into two. 1. Production of marine diesel engine parts. 2. Manufacturing of large industrial machinery and turbine generators. We perform precision machining parts and large structures in various industries, such as automotive, shipbuilding, and heavy industry. Iljin Machinery's core technologies include large structure machining technology, providing a comprehensive turnkey system from engineering to test operation. The certifications we hold are as follows: ISO 9001, ISO 14001 single ppm, ASMA PPSU stamp classification certifications, SEL, LR, ABS, BV, DNV, GL, NK, CCS, RENA registered as a NICE BizInfo patent holding company. Iljin Machinery is equipped with advanced large machining equipment and production infrastructure, enabling us to carry out precision machining and the production of large structures. Plano miller, horizontal boring and milling machine, turning machine CNC, cutting equipment with a capacity of up to 28,000 tons a year, multiple plasma and gas cutting machines. Overhead crane fabrication shop, 210 tons, machining shop, 150 tons. Based on this, we can perform the entire process from precision machining, welding, fabrication to assembly, and we can broadly respond to industrial equipment and plant construction. Our major domestic clients include Hyundai Heavy Industries, Doosan Heavy Industries, SK Chemicals, Dongkuk Steel, Korea Hydro and Nuclear Power, Hyundai Rotem, and Samho Heavy Industries. Our overseas clients include global companies such as Mitsubishi Engines, Siemens, Hitachi, IHI, Kobelco, and Kojima. Our Iljin Machinery has carried out various construction projects. 1. Marine diesel engine parts. A total of 2,024 units produced. Bed plate, cylinder frame, etc. from 2011 to 2016. 2. Ship equipment, fabrication, precision machining. Assembly of items such as ladders, lifeboats, rudders, and propeller shafts. 3. Turbine generators, capable of producing large steam turbine casings up to 180 tons. 4. Industrial machinery, manufacturing of equipment such as presses up to 16,000 tons, rolling mills, and steelmaking equipment. Our future strategy at Iljin Machinery is to continuously develop precision mold and industrial machinery technology, enhance manufacturing facilities and production capacity, and expand orders in domestic and international heavy industries, such as shipbuilding, power generation, and steelmaking. We are building the future of the plant industry together with Iljin Machinery Co., Ltd., which has precision molds, large industrial equipment, and global reliability.